Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about leeks, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with leeks. So if you're looking for some new menu or recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Combine leeks with blue cheese and thyme, or leeks with butternut squash and thyme. How about leeks with carrots, celery, and onions? Or leeks with celery, onions, potatoes, and whatever stock you prefer to use. Leeks with cream, Dijon mustard, garlic, thyme, and white wine. How about leeks with eggs and cheese in a quiche? Leeks with fennel and gorgonzola cheese. Leeks with fennel, lemon, and thyme. Or leeks with feta cheese, garlic, nutmeg, ricotta cheese, and spinach. That's an interesting one. How about leeks with garlic and lemon? Leeks with lemon and mustard. Leeks with onions and tomatoes. Or leeks with potatoes and watercress. I do hope this list gives you some good ideas for what you can do with those extra leeks that you have on hand. Take care and bye for now.